Welcome to Val's Sweet Kitchen. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make my lemon curd tart, which is similar to a lemon meringue pie, but the taste is through the roof. And I'm topping it off with a small batch of Italian meringue. The sweetness perfectly offsets the lemon tartness. So, grab your zester and let's go have some fun. In a saucepan, put the zest of 4 lemons. And when you zest your lemons, make sure you're only taking off the yellow part. You don't want the white, because the white is bitter. 5 ounces of fresh squeezed lemon juice. And then 2/3 cup of sugar. And stay till the end, because we're going to torch it. Let's head over to the stove. In a separate bowl, whisk together 3 eggs and 3 egg yolks. And then heat your juice and your sugar just until the sugar dissolves. Then add in 2/3 cup of butter. And stir just until that melts. Now we're going to take our sugar mixture and temper it into the egg yolks. That's where whisk constantly and just drizzle in. And we're bringing the egg yolks up to the temperature of the sugar mixture without scrambling the eggs. And then pour it back into the saucepan and stir constantly. As it heats up, it's going to thicken, and when it coats the back of a spoon or leaves a distinct path, then it's ready. I like to know a little bit more precisely, so I have a no-touch thermometer, and when that reads 170, then it's ready. There we go, 170. Take it off the heat and put it through a fine strainer. This is going to catch any scrambled eggs we might have made. It happens. And don't forget the bottom. And I put a link on how I make my short crust pastry tart shells below in the description. And then while it's still warm, pour it into your finished tart shell. And let it stand at room temperature for 20 minutes and then put it in the refrigerator to chill all the way. And as it gets cold, it's going to really thicken up, and then it'll be ready for the Italian meringue, and we're going to torch it. So stick around. So the tart is almost all the way chilled. It's firm enough so that we can put the Italian meringue on top. So take your 2 egg whites and whip them at medium speed to stiff peaks and add in a 1/2 teaspoon of cream of tartar. And while they're whisking away, take 2/3 cup of sugar and a 1/4 cup of water and bring that up to a boil, 240 degrees. And then take the sugar mixture and carefully drizzle that into your whipped egg whites. Drizzle it just where the whisk is making a trowel. And whisk that for 10 more minutes till you get stiff peaks. And the real way to tell stiff peaks, take the whole bowl. That's stiff peaks. We're having fun. So, get out your piping bag. And I have an open star tip. We're going to pipe it right on. You just squeeze, stop, pull up. Squeeze, stop, pull up. Squeeze, stop, pull up. And we'll do one in the middle. Now, we're going to torch them and toast all this marshmallow, and it's going to lend a wonderful, wonderful taste. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please be sure to give it a like and thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. Leave your thoughts in the comments below. If you try it at home, I'd love to hear from you. Leave a comment about how it turned out, or let me know if you had any questions. I'd love to share anything I can to help you in your baking adventure and have fun in your kitchen.